So, today's question is, are MGTD TF engines rugged? What kind of abuse can they put up with? Well, here's a used engine we picked up to take apart, and this is what we found. We found a beautiful camshaft, a beautiful crankshaft, gorgeous oil pump gears, everything just fine mechanically, but look what was inside this oil pan. What the hell do you call that? And how long do you think this engine was run without an oil change? Any ideas? Because I sure don't have one. This is insane. Just insane. Tell me what you think. Have a happy day.